So I feel like maybe the last household that doesn't have a bunch of USB-C chargers lying around. Most of my charging stations use USB-A receptacles. So when I got this set of headphones, I needed to have an adapter so that it could fit into my existing charging stations. So this USB-C cord that is connected into here, I just put this into here, and then I did test it earlier. It does fit into the charging station, and it works. This came with a set of 4, which is good that I can put a couple of them in my travel bag, and it's all set. I'm only using it for charging. I know that it doesn't work for every situation, so it's something that you might want to check before you buy.